going on, guys? We got an unboxing today. Can you guys tell me what you think it is? Hurry up, I'm gonna show you. We got the new Milwaukee sectional machine 7/8 kit. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. The nice guide hose. I don't know how long it is, maybe 15 feet. Very nice. It's got some nice straps on it to hold it in place. So I already have one of these cages, but this has the Milwaukee cables. They got some good welds on them, not just like the rigid that has just one spot weld. Seems flexible. I like it. Flexible yet rigid enough to do the job, hopefully. We got 75 feet of cable in there. Alright. Got some owner's manuals, little pamphlet. Do not eat this. I heard about this. This machine is supposed to be light enough that you could carry it with the strap. So I don't know if we're ever going to use that, but if we do, we got the strap. We got our little kits. Got the pin right there. Seems thin, but it's there. Got the chain knocker. No, I think these pins are, these cables might be different than the rigid. The actual hole is a lot smaller, but that's fine. Got this cutter here. Nice. Got a 1-inch cutter, so that must be a 2-inch, and this is a 1-inch. Got a retrieving auger. Just got our straight piece. I'm liking the quality of these. Little root cutter. And a bit of a bigger one. That's nice. I like the kit. Hopefully it stays in good shape and lasts. All right, let's see what's in this box. looks like it's going to be the charger. Got us a rapid charge. Dual. If you guys are liking what you see, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. The more subscribers and likes and stuff like that means I get to make more money, which means I get to bring stuff like this to the channel. Guessing this is going to be the battery. This would actually be the perfect time for a beer, but I don't have any. So clearly it's not. The battery, it's an M18 red lithium high output HD12. And it's dead. So I'm going to have to get that charged up. Almost there. And here it is. Alright, let's take a closer look. Guessing this is the battery port. Yeah, the battery goes right there. Forward, reverse. So this will run 5/8 cable and 7/8 cable. Five eighths. Oh, that's pretty cool. I like that. So this is one key. It's Bluetooth. Not really sure what that means. Put your key right in there. Not sure what that's for. We got a spare battery. handle is rubberized. That is fairly light. Not as light as I thought it would be. So we got a little pamphlet, tips for tool use. Tells you some different accessories you can get. There's actually a couple heads here that are grease cleaner heads. I might have to look into that. I think they're kind of like a spring. Alright, let's open up this battery. This one's dead as well. So we're gonna go plug these in, and you never know, next video you might be able to see me being used. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Hopefully you guys like the unboxing, and subscribe if you haven't. Taragna.